Okay, this one. Okay. Now, Rian, can you see what I'm writing in the whiteboard? Can you answer these 5 questions for me? Okay. So I want you to answer these questions and yes, I'll give you how many minutes would you want me to for you? 10 minutes or 10 minutes? Can you do that? And if you're having trouble with answering this, you can always ask me. So yes. So, are you having trouble with number 3? Okay. What happened? Did you were suddenly gone? Wait for a while. Let me get back the whiteboard. Was I the one who got lost or yeah, so where was that? Oh no, where was
消えた。うん。その人が消えた。なんもない。なんか、どんで、どっか消えた。それから、あ、来た。んなんか調子悪い
So let me load the whiteboard again. I'm so sorry, it suddenly happened. My okay.
その人はパソコン壊れただって。
Okay. So here, yeah. So we will answer this on our own, right? So for number 1, this is actually correct. So you got it right. For number 2, this is 3 times 4 plus 3 times 4 is 12, and then 7 times 8 is 56. So this is again correct. But for 3, 4, 5, so you haven't able to answer this one. Well, So we will answer it now. So I will teach you how to also answer this because based here in number number three, this is almost right, but it can. So for number three, we have 9/6, and then times. What you did is right. So you actually.
またそう。その人がパソコン壊れたらって。うん。知らない。知らない。知らない。問題出してごらん。問題出してごらん。余分なことしてなくてさ。なんか調子が悪いそうです。通信の調子が悪くて。通信が悪い。なんか聞こえたり聞こえなかったりで、さっきから。ね。ね。ああ、そうだ。いいじゃない映ってみた。
Oh no, something.
そんなことなのかななんかさっきから聞こえたりして。
Hi, I'm sorry, something is wrong with my Zoom.
いいのこれ。やればいいの。やらないの。
うん。違う問題のことで。
Okay.
違う問題。テスト出してくれたの
あなた言った自分でちゃんとテストやるから、わかんないところ教えてくださいって言わなきゃ。
いや、言ってないで。
じゃあ、いいのね、あなたはテスト出すのね。
うん。
それが自分の選択ね。
うん。
Uh, Rian, can you hear me? Hello, Rian, can you hear me right now?
Yes.
So, yes. Can you hear me?
水筒の。また消えた。また消えた。また消えた。これ何？なんだろう。さっきの問題でも知らない。知らない。今日天気のせいかな。多分。さっきの問題は何？自分で問題決めたの？いや、やってない。出せてた？うん。で、3個やったんだ。いくつだっけ？やったじゃん。問題は誰が決めた？先生。ここからじゃん。
So, yeah, here we are. So I'm sorry, my Wi-Fi was very bad earlier. So how about Rian? Can you hear me right now?
Oh.
Okay. So since you can hear me, so we'll continue with our discussion. Is that okay? Okay. So for number 1 and 2, you're actually correct in here, 1 and 2. But for number 3, it's almost correct, but you made a small mistake here. So let me rewrite that again. So we have 9/6 Oh, let me rewrite that again. So 9 over 6 times 7 over 3. Now, what you did is actually you did this, which is actually right, but what you need to number 6 was wrong because you're not supposed to do that. But it's almost correct, so it's like this now. Now we will just continue with 3 times 7, which will be equal to 21, and then 6 times 1 just be 6, something like that. So you're almost right with here, but the only problem is you made this 2, and then you made this into 1. So yeah. Do you understand your mistake now, Rian, or it's confusing? Okay, for number 4, we have 10 times 10 over 12 times 10 over 12. So if you write it, it's 10 over 12 times 10 over 12, something like that. So since even though it's the same, we'll just continue with 10 times 10, which is, if we do a multiplication, something like this, 10 times 10, 0, 0, and then 0, 1, which is just equal to 100 because we will just add this. So 10 times 10 is 100. This 100. Now for 12 times 12, we will actually still do this. Do you know how to do this? Like this, Rian? This way of multiplication? Hello? Do you know how to do this? Yes or no? Hello? Yes or no? Do you know how to do this? So after this, 12 times 12, we have 2 times 2 is equals to 4.
Mhm.
And 2 times 1 is 1 times 2, 2, and then 1 times 1 is 1. So 12 times 12 is 44. So we will just add it here. So 4 here, 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 1 plus 1 is just this. So 144. So 144. Now for number 5. Okay, number 5. Do you have any questions, by the way, Rian? Do you understand the topic, or is it confusing? Oh, I forgot to turn on my video. Okay. So do you understand the topic, or is it confusing for you, Rian? So, okay, we'll continue. So now, for here, Rian, do you know how to do this? Yes or no? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? So for number 5, this is actually also easy because if we are going to solve this, it's just going to be, let me copy this, 3 and 1/2 times 4 and 1/3, something like this. So if we are going to solve this, so like this, we actually need to transform this into improper fraction.
Yeah.
So if we have to transform this, So by the way, what's improper fraction?
ゆかりさんがさ、これやってるときに
そう
やればいい。テスト。なんていくつだったこれ。あ、これやってないよ、これ。
Oh,
あ、
Rian, is this
これ
your
はない
topic?
よ。これはないよ。見えるよ、こっちから。
見えないよ。
あれだよ、本当に。
So, hello Rian, is this your topic in math right now? Okay, very good. Do you know how to solve number 5? This question, this. Do you know how to solve it? If not, okay, let's continue. So, when solving, because we will, since there's a whole number here, the whole number here, we need to transform it into something like this.
あ、あら。消しゴム。消しゴム。
So if we need to transform it into something like that,
消しゴム。
Rian. Okay, there you are. So it's something like this. So 2 times 3 plus 1. 2 times 3. No, let me let this just to make this. It will just multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3. Then plus 1. Plus 1. This here. And then since the denominator or the one here is 2, so let's make 2. And then another one, this here. So we have 3 times 4 plus 1 again. So if we rewrite it, it's 3 times 4 plus 1. And then we just copy number 3. So do you understand now, Rian? Hello? Do you understand the topic? Is it okay? Is it okay? Do you understand? Do you hear me? Okay. So do you understand the topic or is it confusing? I think you are muted, so I cannot hear what you are saying. Your mic is not on. I cannot hear you. Okay. Do you understand the topic, Rian, or is it
Yes.
confusing? Okay, very good. So now what do we do right now here? So it's 2 times 3. How much is 2 times 3? Since it's 2 times 3, it's 6 plus 1. So that's why it's 7. And then we just copy 2 here. And then multiply, also multiply. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1, it's 13. And then it's 3 here. If we solve this now, it's 7 times 13, which is just equal to, how much is that, Rhea? 7 times 13. 7 times 13 is just 91. 91. And then 2 times 3 is 6. So yes, this is our final answer. So do you understand this, Orion, or do you need more examples? Hello, Orion. Do you understand the topic or do you need more examples? or more problems? Yes or no? Okay, hello. Is it okay now? Do you understand the topic? Okay, very good. So, what is it that you don't understand right now? By the way, can you hear me clearly? Okay, so since this is also our first time together, and I think it's too much that I am talking math, so I want us to know each other well. So, what's your full name, Rian? Your full name. What's your last name? What's your last name, Rian? Rian. What's your last name? Your last name. So, for example, my name is John Lambatan, and I'm currently in the Philippines. So, how are you? Who are you? What's your full name? So, what's your full name, Rian? So that we can get to know more each other. So, how about if you write your name here? Write your name here in the whiteboard. What's your name? Yes, your name. Or if not, oh, how about this? Can you do this? 1/2 times 1/4. Can you answer this, Rian? Here, number 1, I made again. Hello, can you answer this for me? Yes, that one. Wow, very good. How about this one?
Mm,
How about this one?
mm, mm, mm,
Very
mm. もうできない。
good.
うん、うん、うん、うん、うん。
Okay, very good, very good.
ほら、
Very good.
これダメだって。ほら、間違えた。
But
あ、やばい。
can we transform this to the lowest term yet?
ほら、見て。ほら、俺これやっ
Because 3 and 3 is just 1, right? So we can technically transform this into 1/4. Yes, 1/4. Because, let me see, because 3 and 3, so if you write this, actually 3 over divided 3 again, because 3 divided 3 is 1, and 12 divided 3 is 4. So this is the final answer. How about this, Rian? 7 over 8 times 1/2. How about this?
ね、あと昼休みにやればいいよ。
あら。
ここでやってもいい。こういう出すのもったいないわ。
How about this, Rian? Number 3. Do you know how to answer this?
따라.
Mm-hmm.
음, 음.
Okay, very good. Now, how about this? A very challenging one. 2, 1.5. You're very smart, Rian. Amazing. How about something like this? Can you answer this? So this will be our last question for today before we end. So can you answer this?
음.
Mm-hmm. That's very good. Yes, very good.
음. 음.
Yes.
일어나. 꼴 느끼나. 응.
Okay, that's right.
선거 수단은 소련은
And then it's almost right. You just need the numerator. Ugh.
와라.
Yes. Wow, very good. So smart. Wow. Now, I'll give you one last problem. One last problem. 6. Oh, okay. Right, this. Times 10, 8 over 2. Now, how about this? Oh, let me write this. This as 2. Now, do you know how to solve this, Rian? This will be our last number before we end.
괜찮아요.
Okay. Okay. Oh,
싫어나. 싫어나.
okay.
유요? 유 이때 가치가 10個あったらいくつ10で
80.
80じゃん。
Okay, very good. Very good. Now, it's a big number. How do you solve that?
음. 음.
Yes, that's right.
무즈. 그래 무즈. 사바이.
Can we answer that?
음. 음.
And also times 82. 4 times 6.
어. 응?
8 times is just A 32, and then 3, and then A times 4 is 30, plus 32 plus 35, then we have A 0, 1, 6, 3. So we have 3, 6, 0, 8 over 7 times 8, which is 56. So, did you also get the same answer, Rian? This one. Oh. Did you get the same answer?
Huh?
Okay, so this is how we do it. So, I think this is just it for today. So, I think next meeting or next Monday, hopefully you get to speak more when we are having a discussion. You get to speak more next time. And
Yes.
then, yes. So if you have always you have questions, if you have always, you can always ask me, or if you feel it is too simple, if you think that the problem is too simple or the discussion is very simple, you can always ask me to ask for a very or a more difficult one. Is that okay, Ringan? Okay, so that's it for today. So thank you. Bye bye. Thank you so much.